All right, so it says we're supposed to solve that equation for x algebraically. If your answer is a fraction, write it in reduced fractional form. Do not convert the answer to a decimal. All right, so let's rewrite it so we can work on it from below. Well, actually, let's go ahead and distribute here and distribute here and then write that below. So a negative 4 times x, negative 4x. Negative 4 times 3, negative 12, plus 2 equals 4x and then minus 28. Okay. All right, so now I don't know which way is best to go. We have like terms here. We could simplify first maybe. So minus 4x minus 10 equals 4x minus 28. So maybe let's add 28 to that side and add 28 to that side. And so minus 4x and then 28 minus 10 is plus 18. And so if we add 4x, we get 18 equals 8x. Now we divide by 8. So x equals 18 over 8. But we can reduce. 2 will go in here 4. 2 will go in here 9. And so then our final answer is 9/4. All right. So they want it in reduced fractional form. That would be what our answer would be. Now, our check, minus 4 times 9 over 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 4 times 9 over 4 minus 7. Well, I'm going to distribute first. And so this times that's going to be a negative 9. And that's going to be a negative 12. And then plus a 2 equals. And that's going to cancel. We have a 9. And then minus. And then we have 28. Okay. All right. So we take off 2 here. So that's a minus 10. Minus that. So that's a minus 19. And subtract 9. That looks like a minus 19 as well. Okay, and so that does give us our solution of negative 9/4. What about this one? We're supposed to determine if it's conditional, identity, or contradiction. So that means we have to solve it. And so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and distribute here and here and write that answer below. So minus 2 times 6w minus 12w minus 2 times 4 is a minus 8 plus 9 equals, that's a minus 12w, that's a minus 20, and then that's plus 21. All right, so here we got like terms and like terms. So we have a minus 12w, and then that's 9 minus 8 is 1 equals minus 12w, and that's again plus 1. And if you're noticing anything, this side equals this side. And so because those sides are equal, if we subtracted 1 from both sides, then we get a negative 12w equals a negative 12w. Then if we added 12w to both sides, we get 0 equals 0. So we have an identity. Basically, infinite number of solutions. So no matter what w we plug in on either side, same one on both sides, of course, we're going to get the same answer. So it won't matter. So this is an identity. All right, so that's all I have. I hope that helped.